Starting to look half decent. Took out the top bunk and made just one bed at the bottom. Move this wall over in the bathroom. Still have a big enough bathroom with a shower, so that's good. Got to be all nicely cleaned in there. It's dusty and dirty. Here I took the stove out. And that section there was all open so the dust would come in there and the dirt. Sometimes you wonder how they build things in the factory. Took the bunk beds down. Made a shelf up there. Down here made a bigger bed. Bathroom has still lots of room. Toilet, shower, sink. Took all the cupboard doors off. I'm gonna redo them. Over top the cab here is going to be storage. Little work to do on the furnace. Couple of fittings missing on the water tank. The people painted all white all over the place. Never bothered to tape or anything. So that's one hell of a big job just to clean that all up. The chrome was painted on the fridge door. Switch covers were all painted. Plug covers were all painted over. Made a little cabinet here for put shoes on. Some of this stuff has not been cleaned since it was built in 1985. In here we cleaned it all up nicely. That's the converter. Got some of the cupboard doors back in. Looks a little bit better. Scraped all the white paint off the fridge door on the aluminum trim. Repainted the aluminum trim. Took the inside board out. Going to repaint the board. And then we'll see what it looks like. Well, it's slowly coming. Got some cupboards all fixed up. I'm going to mount this inverter, this 1000-watt inverter, right on the wall here. Got the cupboards cleaned out. Put in a 12-volt receptacle there. Got the fridge all cleaned up and tested and checked and fixed whatever I had to fix on it. All ready to go. Well, I tried the water system and the hot water tank leaks all over the place. Down there it's wet, it was leaking from there up there. Pretty rusted anyway, so I think it's time to replace the hot water tank. Could this be the reason why this hot water tank is leaking? Wow, somebody left the water in over winter. I see how some people look after things. Look at the rusty water that's coming out of here. Pretty rusty inside. Maybe it's a good thing we have to change this, because this is not really any good anyways. City water valve. I might as well replace the valve too, because since I'm replacing all the plumbing, replacing the hot water tank, might as well do everything right. But this crap here is sure stuck on and it's hard to get it off. But we'll get her slowly. There she comes. Well, I took the sink out here just to see what's behind there, and I have to redo the plumbing underneath there, so I thought I'd take it out. And I see that they never closed it off from the outside, so the dust can come in right into this cabinet. So that's sometimes how it is when manufacturers, they like to take lots of shortcuts. Well, I started the new plumbing there. You can see some of the new lines, and I just set the new hot water tank in just to try it out to see if it fits. And I gotta fit all the lines before I screw it in permanently, but it's a start. I got some of the line cold water going up here already into the sink and into the toilet. Got the new plumbing in, replaced the hot water tank, checked the converter out, cleaned it all out, was just full of dirt and dust. Got it all working properly. Just waiting here for our new set of taps to come, because these were missing some parts. Somebody took it apart and didn't put it back together right. checked out the toilet. Got it working okay. Have to flush the tank out yet. Have to actually flush both tanks out. Really good. The tank half full of water and some soap and stuff and let it soak good for a while, and then I'll flush it out. I want to put another 12 volt receptacle down here somewheres.